And now we have a button down below the panel of the change. We have a button commit. And we can save what we did, save the changes actually. If we don't, we stage all the files. So the stage is a meaning that we add the file to the record, but the record is not saved yet. And so before this, we need to commit. And so to commit, we need to enter a message. So we will make a very basic message, uv init. We commit, we click on commit. And again, before clicking on the button, you see the command git commit. And that's it. The panel change has disappeared. So that means that the record has been done, has been saved. And if we go to history, is there anything? Yeah, we see our commit, uv init. You see yourself, actually, the person who did the commit, and the date, and the code, actually, the ID of the commit. So you can click on this uv init commit. And you have on the left a panel that describes all the modifications that have been done in this saving record. So overall, I know it's a bit overwhelming, but really consider it as a Git in Z as a way to save things, as a way to preserve things, to have a record. And so if something bad happen when an AI agent, for instance, do some modifications and things don't go well, the application doesn't run okay, you can still go back to a previous record of your project. That's it.